Okay, so here's the part about sips I don't like, but you know, it ain't that bad. Check how easy it is though. This is the sip iron. It's a cutting iron. Okay. So you can see it set at 1.5 inch depth. We can set it up to 4 inches if we want to. And you just put it in. Keep that against there. Now you notice I don't pull it up even. We have it made a little bit wider so you can make sure and grab all these edges in here. So you just want to give it enough torque right here until you feel it starting to touch the plywood. Back up, don't breathe it. It's not fast. What it does is it seals all of this so it doesn't take on any water again. You could cut it out, but it would leave white fluff, styrofoam everywhere, a big mess. When you hit it with this iron, it makes it just sweet. Nice shape, just right for that zip tie to go right in there. Now that's a good job. Hey, how about a quick look under this frame to see how it all tied together? That's a tough foundation.
I don't want to be the one that hesitates.
Okay, so we want you to do yourselves a favor here. Tim's going to explain why.
When we're putting these down to put the sips over, we're putting the rolled edge, the factory edge, on the outside here. This is our ripped edge, the sharp edge. But when we set the walls up, we'll be doing like this. We'll be rolling it on there, and if we had the sharp edge out here, it doesn't go in there as easy as the rolled edge does on the outside like that. So when we lift the walls up, it'll go over this edge a lot easier.
Okay, great. So because of that, when I'm ripping these 2x6s down, it leaves me about a 1/2 inch piece. I take that out of the middle and I flip the board over and rip the other edge to keep that factory rolled edge. You see how nice that fits. What about that space here? How are you going to line up that other corner, that other plate?
This is going to go right along here like this. I'm putting glue on this side, so I'll roll this over so that that rolled edge will be on the outside, and this will allow us to put it right up against there. Gives us the right measurement, and it'll be about a 1/2 inch in from the edge here, so that the SIP, this edge, is sitting on top of the SIP floor.
Well, look at what we got here. Woo! I probably weighed about 175 pounds. Not bad. I lifted it myself, and Tim adjusted the bottom. And let me tell you, that's a max I can lift. So there's it right there. Work on the side window, side walls next. Wave bye for the weekend, Tim.
Bye for the weekend.
Hey, what's missing here? What's missing here?
Same thing as this one here.
Y'all have a great weekend.